we're here to do a demonstration on the Quick Dress tool by Art Communications. And first of all, make sure it's not loose. Make sure as they do loosen up, make sure it's just goes real smooth, all that good stuff. Everything looks good, okay? Go to the bundle. The beginning of a bundle that comes out of this one, it's coming out of the floor. My other demonstrations have been coming out of the ceiling. This one's coming out of the floor. So what I want to do is get all the outside wires together, nice and neat. First, obviously. So take your outside ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. The tool will do 11. So there it is. There's your outside ones, there's your inside ones. Take your tool, that's why it's hinged, and that's why there's a clasp. You put it on like that. Those are your inside wires. You can do up to 24 with this tool at a time, but you can hook onto an existing bundle, clip around it and add wires to it, or whatever you want to do. But this is how it works. In order, take your wires, clip them in, one at a time. Make sure they're not crossed. They're all coming out where they need to come out on the tool. You don't have any that are crossed. You just keep going around until they're all like that. It's a little bit of a hassle to set it up at first, but once you set it up, it goes so quick you don't even notice anymore. Oops, almost did it. No dips, no dives, brother. Anyway, we got 2 more. That one. And that one. Right. Now, once you got it hooked up, don't worry about the gap, anything like that for the hinge and the clasp. We're going to probably design one the next time that has one more in it, just because that's kind of a big waste of space there, we've discovered. But it doesn't hurt the way it works. It's just, maybe 12 instead of 11. I'll be on the next one and decided. But as far as this goes, once you get them all in order, take your tie wrap. Put them together to where it looks like that. Nice and straight. And as you go, they'll stay that way pretty much. Anybody that's done this by hand knows how long it takes to get these wires even like that. Come on, that's just so fast. Look at that. It just doesn't even... It takes an hour job and it makes it 10 minutes. Whatever he does. Done. Come on. How good is that? We're almost done with the bundle already. I just took the tool out. But, needless to say, it is quick. If you go too far, it'll let you know it, because you got to kind of keep them together like that. Because it will get out of order and then cause you a little bit more work. So just keep them together and you'll be good. I don't know, you want to do it by hand, I guess you can, but I'll choose this way any day. I hate dressing wires. I needed to invent a tool that took this out of the equation because I'm so sick and tired of dressing wires. So then it'll get like this, okay, and that's okay. Then what you do, we got a door shut here because we're at a really noisy construction site, so it's going to make it hard to do this, but this is what we do. Straight and work it back out. Sorry. You'll get to where you can feel it. If one's out of whack, you'll feel it. So it's, you'll get that feel down, to where you'll know right off the bat if there's a dip or a dive, as we call it. No dips, no dives. Okay, so this is a pretty good demonstration on it. I know that it seems like a waste, but I like Velcro, but Velcro won't keep it tight while you're, maneuvering it into where it's going, into place. But what I do afterwards is I cut these off, just to do a demonstration. I'm not ready to cut them off yet. I still got a roller. I take Velcro. You waste a few tire wraps, but it keeps it in order while you're dressing it. While you're snaking this thing around, up and around into the panel. If you had Velcro on it, it would go all over the place. When you're all done, you will wrap that in Velcro and cut off that black tire wrap, and it'll come out sweet every time. But for now, I've got to maneuver it, so like I said, I'm leaving them on until it's in place. And I'm getting a few dips and dives, so I'm not trying to go too fast, and we don't want to do that. So I might have to go back and fix a few of those. But I'll wait until I route it up in there. So pretty much that's it. That's about as far as I'm going to take this one. Can't take it past where it's going to get punched down. It's kind of a waste. Yeah. You can make a nice little service coil with the excess though.